Wife and I are getting ready to move. I'm cleaning out my shop. I found a piece of hickory, a 1-inch by 2-inch piece of hickory. I'm going to turn it into a cutting board. Now, this is going to be my third cutting board. The first two have been face grain. So I did one, which was basically just a board. And then the next one I did is I found some other smaller pieces of hickory that I cut them into pieces and I glued them together edge to edge to edge to edge. And so the cutting surface is a face grain. This one I'm going to do different. I'm going to turn it on its side. Well, it doesn't matter which side it's on when it's cutting it. But when I go to glue it up, the edge of the board is going to be exposed. It's going to make for a thicker profile, but that's okay. And this will be my first edge grain cutting board. Although it's my third cutting board, but this is my first edge grain cutting board. So let's get it cut down to shape. Let's get it glued up. And then tomorrow morning, I'll start turning it into a cutting board. Well, here it is. I took a piece of trim that you can get at the local big box store. I just happened to have a piece laying around in my shop, and I turned it into an edge grain cutting board. It's pretty chunky. It's about 1.5 inches, maybe even close to 2 inches thick. Matter of fact, it is close to 2 inches thick, 1.75 inches thick. I think it came out very good. One thing I noticed, the difference between an edge grain and a face grain is the face grain doesn't absorb the oil as fast. The edge grain, boy, it just sucked the oil right up. So I have to put a couple more coats on this. Is it perfect? Nope, but it's only my third cutting board, so I'm making progress. Thanks for watching.